So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix MetaQuest 3 blinking red light, battery charging and power error fix. So why MetaQuest 3 blinking red light? So there are some points. Slow blinking often means low battery under 15%, while fast blinking indicates critical level below 5% or a charging fault preventing power intake. Then a solid red light point to severe depletion and the device won't power on until charged adequately. So, how to fix it? So, the fix is charge the headset properly. Plug your headset into a wall outlet using the original MetaQuest 3 USB-C charger and cable. Then wait at least 30 minutes or 1 hour without trying to power it on. If the battery is fully drained to 0%, the headset cannot boot until it has regained enough power. Charging restores minimum required battery and often causes the light to change color, example amber or green light. So fix 2 is try a hard reset. Press and hold the power button for 30 to 20 seconds, then release when the Meta logo appears and let it boot up. A hard reset can clear minor software glitches or stuck boot loops that might keep the headset in a no power state even when charging. Fix 3 is check charger, cable and port. Use the official charger and cable. Then try a different wall adapter, not a laptop USB port. Then examine and clean the USB-C port gently, example with compressed air. So charging issues are often caused by incompatible or low power chargers, poor cable contact or debris in the port. A proper power supply and clean connection allow full current to reach the battery. So let the headset cool if warm. If the device feels hot, unplug it and let it cool down for 50 to 30 minutes. VR headsets often reduce charging to protect hardware if internal temperature is too high. Cooling allows the system to resume safe charging. Inferred from common power management behavior. Meta notes the status light reflects system state including power conditions. So fix 5 is boot into recovery or safe modes. Power off, then press and hold power plus volume down until the boot menu appears. Use volume buttons to select restart devices. This refreshes the power state and can exit situations where the headset is stuck trying and failing to boot. Official Meta pages describe how LEDs reflect device state including boot and error condition. So the fix 6 is force charge and calibrate. Recalibrates the battery management system, fixing misread charge level from full drains. Charge uninterrupted for 1.5 to 3 hours, then unplug, then hold power 30 seconds. Replug and charge another 30 minutes, tapping power periodically. Override software error in battery monitoring for accurate readings. So the fix 7 is preventive measures. These steps don't fix the blinking red light now, but reduce the change it happens again. Avoid letting the battery reach 0% before charging, and always use certified chargers with adequate current. Then keep firmware up to date and charging logic behavior correctly. Thank you. So these are the steps which can help you to fix your issue. Bye.